So we got Ruby Soho and Willow. This is Anna Jay and fucking Ty Conti. Ruby Soho is bloody as hell, bro.
Ruby hammering away at the beautiful face of Anna Jay.
Multiple strikes. This is carnage.
Man, these ladies are not holding back.
This grudge has been going on for months and months, and it's all coming out tonight in the ring here on Rampage.
Anna Jay.
I'm just proud of the effort these four women are putting forth, fellas.
What has Ty got going on here? We mentioned earlier she grew up on the streets of Brazil in the favelas. She knows how to street fight.
She does indeed.
And this could be part of something she learned on those streets so many years ago. Weaponry.
Well, I know she's got a mean streak. I don't think there's any question about that. And I also know this, guys, that Ruby Soho is in trouble. Anna Jay, though, back up into the ring.
She's got some blood on her as well. Is that Ruby Soho's or is it her own?
I think it's Ruby. Oh my God!
Oh my God!
This is not going to be good for anybody.
She's powerful. Oh my God!
Oh. On the chairs.
This was a car wreck. Willow Nightingale. Now she's fighting like a woman possessed.
This crowd here in Los Angeles, over 11,000 of them, getting into this one.
Yeah, you can hear the chants of Willow ringing out through the fabulous Kia Forum. And she has Anna Jay backed up against the corner.
Anna Jay is busted open too. You look at her hairline, you can see it.
Oh.
That was awkward. It was painful.
Good God.
It was serious business.
It's a street fight. Nothing pretty about that, JR.
I know that, Chris. That looked like a car wreck. And now there's more.
Willow placing the trash can. Oh.
God damn.
Pushing it into her face as Anna's been knocked loopy by those chain shots.
This is absolutely nuts, guys. Nuts.
Tony, we've been doing this a long time.
Look at this.
Remember
Spine.
Oh. Spine buster.
Willow and
Willow. Oh. Senton.
Anna getting flattened. So did the trash can, but now Willow with a chance. She covers. Two. No, Anna able to.
Two.
We got to hand it to Anna Jay. Not only is she a beautiful young woman, great athlete, she's mentally and physically tough.
And Ruby Soho.
This is awesome. This is awesome. This is awesome.
Don't say tears.
I wouldn't say that.
It's such a happy occasion, Chrissy.
This ain't no spinning wheel, JR. Look at this. Here we go.
Oh my God.
Cannot imagine the damage that landing on that apron can do.
The hardest part of that wrestling ring is the apron.
Yes, sir.
Anna's been thrown around at this point by Willow.
Willow taking the doctor bomb on the floor.
Oh.
I just came flying in with that trash can lid. Ruby fighting through all this blood.
Oh.
The kick lands.
Did you see her back, though? She hurt herself just as much as that blood is splattered all over the ground.
How tough is Ruby Soho?
Look at these two just crawling up the ramp, trying to escape.
Ruby Soho.
They can't be counted out.
Got a table.
Table.
Got a timekeeper's table.
Willow Nightingale fighting their way up the ramp. And oh, Anna landed a solid shot there on Willow as Ruby positioning the table on the ring. Oh wait, Willow ducked underneath the kick. Oh no!
Oh shit.
It's a long drop. It's a long drop.
No! No! Oh, jeez.
Right there at the table.
She landed right on the floor.
Willow Nightingale, the power bomb off the stage.
My God.
Onto the floor.
Yeah,
Jesus.
now. Ruby, she was going for the power
Oh.
bomb through the table, but Ty, that was a headbutt.
That was a headbutt, all right, Tony.
Oh wait,
That was a headbutt, baby.
Ty, the oh my gosh, style pile driver through the table.
Alright, pile driver through the table.
That was brutal. That was hard to watch.
And Ty Melo.
Holy shit. Holy shit. Holy shit.
I don't think I've seen anything quite like this one.
2. No!
Ruby Soho kicks out.
Name of God, can this woman kick out?
This match has been absolutely wild. The action all over the platform. Willow Nightingale with the powerbomb off the ramp. Ty with the pile driver through the table at ringside.
Oh my God.
Weapons.
Now what's next?
Oh, Ty.
No, it can't be.
You know exactly what it is. We have seen this blood.
Tax. It's definitely tax.
It better be a tiny snake, because if it's not, we're in trouble here.
Yeah, I'm getting a little queasy because I think we all know what's in
It's
this.
tax.
Of course we do.
We can't spoil the surprise. There it is.
Yep.
Now you know.
Thumbtacks.
Now you know.
Thumbtacks.
Thumbtacks.
This is brutal.
I've been watching wrestling long enough to know what that black bag means.
She's going to look for the Gotch-style pile driver in the tags. Ruby fighting mightily.
There's no way out of these tacks.
Surrounded by tacks. It meant for somebody's body.
And, oh, wait, Ty just trying to put Ruby
Face into the tax.
Her nose.
No, we can't. This is horrible to watch.
Oh, but look at Ruby. She's got her hand in
She's
the
got her
tags.
hand in the tacks.
She grabbed her hand. Oh, she threw it at Ty's face.
Into Ty's face.
What is she going for?
Onto the chair.
That was stuck in the corner.
Ty's almost out on her feet.
Oh no.
She's got Ty all hooked up. Destination unknown.
Destination unknown to the tax.
Many winning to Ruby, but this is it.
Oh my God.
Look at the tacks.
Jesus Christ.
And the doctor.
Ruby Soho is a bloodbath right now.
This is terrible.
What a battle we just witnessed. Ruby Soho.
They literally beat the hell out of each other. None of them can stand.
The hell, the blood out of each other, everything.
There's your quote-unquote winner. She doesn't look like she won a damn thing tonight.
Oh, wait, and Ruby begrudgingly giving respect to Willow Nightingale. They went through this war together. And Ruby, she said that she was going to end it.
Oh my God.
With Ty Melo. And she got the win here tonight to cap off Rampage.
By the way, the league Rampage, thanks so much for being with us, everybody.
Good God.
Shivani, Excalibur.
Wednesday night.
Good night, everybody. We'll see you next Friday night.
This is a travesty.